What are we having today? We're trying hot pot. Let's see what they have. It will be our first time. This is the menu. We choose the soup base and other meat or fish and add-ons, vegetables, etc. There's unlimited ice cream, only noodles, and the veggies, soup, rice. We have the dessert. Like, you can make your own halo-halo. And only drinks.
Excuse me.
You can have coffee later. Let's eat. What did we get? Ragusa soup. There's the meat, veggies, and rice. Let's eat. How will you end the meal? With ice cream and halo-halo toppings. Inverted halo-halo. Yum yum.